Influenced by retro design and arts and crafts style, the Magnuson Jaffrey bedroom set brings a sophisticated flair to your bedroom. The lattice-designed head and footboard of the bed frame look delicate, but are made from sturdy hardwoods and hickory veneers that give them a sense of motion. This innovative bed frame is sure to give you many nights of restful slumber. All of the drawers in this collection are deep to hold extra items, and slide without effort on ball-bearing glides. Metal drawer pulls are finished in antique brass for a nice contrast to the collection's chestnut-colored finish. The large mirror in this collection is wrapped in the same lattice work as the bed frame and complements the dresser perfectly. The pieces of the Jaffrey look great by themselves, or combine them with other furniture to create a breathtaking bedroom set. Either way, we at Bedroom Furniture Spot are sure that you're going to love the way that this collection looks in your home. The Jaffrey is made from quality materials and craftsmanship to create an exquisite bedroom collection that is meant to be enjoyed for many years. Magnuson also stands behind their products with a comprehensive manufacturer warranty. You can sleep well in the knowledge that your new Jaffrey collection will be around for years to come. Build your dream bedroom with the following: platform bed, dresser, mirror, nightstand, media chest, and drawer chest. The bed frame is available in queen, king, or California king sizes. Enjoy significant savings on the Jaffrey when you order through BedroomFurnitureSpot.com. You can also take advantage of free shipping in the continental United States. This is the Magnuson Jaffrey bedroom set.